welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Are we safe on New Year's Eve? Prudent asked the question after bomb disposal squad takes 3 hours to arrive at Calangute beach to check a suspicious briefcase. A special report. Ponda police rescue a girl sold for 20,000 rupees. Girl complains that she is being traded for prostitution. Police refuse to reveal pimp's name. End of Manoj Srivastava's era from ESG. Government decides against extending his contract. Prasad Loliyekar given additional charge of ESG CEO. Mining Department admits says there is no violation of Supreme Court's order by SEZA NOC. SEZA says ore will not be moved without obtaining required permissions. And Duler football ground gets taste of I-League action on artificial turf. Turf will play much better once it settles down, says football officials. And now the news in detail. Goa police have come under scanner once again for its preparation to handle any emergency situation. At around 2:45 in the afternoon on Monday, an unclaimed suspicious briefcase was found on Calangute beach. A tourist noticed it and informed a police constable present on beach. Constable promptly called police control room to send a bomb disposal squad at the spot. But sadly, it took 3 hours for squad to reach the spot. Thankfully, there was no bomb. But the question is, what if it was a bomb?
I am here at Calangute beach, and about at 2:45 p.m. local police who are deployed here got an information that one unclaimed suspicious briefcase is lying there. As you can see behind me that a briefcase is there and nobody is claiming. But when I was talking to a sports businessman, he was saying a 40-year-old person was holding this bag. But where he disappeared and at what time he disappeared, nobody knows. So now police is informing bomb disposal squad. It's 4:30 p.m. now, but still bomb disposal squad could not reach. Today is the 31st afternoon. Huge crowd is around here, but still the security measures are not in place, and that's why it's raising a big question that if anything explosive can be inside the briefcase. It's been more than 2.5 hours now when about this suspicious unclaimed briefcase was informed. But as of now, no senior police officer or bomb disposal squad has reached on the spot. The bomb disposal squad had reached here and nothing is found inside it. But question is not that what was inside the briefcase. That big question arises that on the New Year Eve, it took 3 hours to reach bomb disposal squad. Now the question is that how much Goa police is ready for any emergency situation. With video journalist Omkar Purari, I am Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Ponda police have rescued a girl with the help of Shiv Sena in Ponda. The 19-year-old girl complained that she was sold at Madgaon for the purpose of prostitution. Police complaint has been filed against a pimp. However, police have declined to reveal his name till verification.
म्हाका जेन्ना हे चेडवाची जेन्ना केस म्हज्या हातान आयली पुण्याच्यान तो पुना आमगेलो म्हणजे हेजो मानव अधिकाऱ्याचो मेन राज्य प्रमुख महाराष्ट्रांतलो तेणें म्हाका फोन केलो अमकी कडेन हे चेडूं आहा तेजो मोबायल नंबर म्हाका दिलो आनी ताका म्हणपालो वता आनी घेवन यो हांवें तेन्ना ताका मोबायल नंबर करून दिताले तें म्हाका म्हणपालें आपूण मडगांव बायपासाचेर तो मारुती देवळा न्ही थंय म्हणपालें भितर खंय तरी रावता म्हाका ती प्लेसूय खबर नाशिल्ली ते भितर खंय रावता ते जेन्ना ती बायलेन ती घेतली तेणें ताका इतले घेतलेले 20,000 त्या बायलेक हांवें परत फोन लायलो. ती बायल म्हाका म्हणपाली आपूण म्हणपाली ताका धंद्या खातीर हाडना घर कामा खातीर म्हणपाली 20,000 दिवन घेतला कितें. पूण ती बायल म्हणटा आपल्याक म्हणपाली इतलो कांयच तितलें खबर ना, तो भुरगो येयलो आनी ताका 20,000 रुपया दिले आनी घेवन गेलो, म्हणजे दिवन गेलो. मागीर हांव थंय रातचो गेलो, थंय फोन मारतकीर ती बायल म्हाका म्हणपाली आपूण तुज्या फुड्यान येवपाना, आपूण ताका धाडटा, तूं थंयच राव. त्या बायलेन मागीर कितें केलें, मारुती व्हॅन भाड्याची केली आनी ताका धाडून दिलें. आनी ताका रातचो हांवें 2 सुमार हांव राती घेवन येयला.
कोणे विकले खंयचे चेडूं?
हे चेडूं पुण्याच्यान ताका कोणी ते येयल्ले भोंवपाक बिचार 4 जाण येयल्ली ती 4 जाण येयल्ली ती तेतूंतली 3 जाण पळोवन गेली. हे एकूच थंय घुसपले आनी फोंडे हाडून ताका मारुती देवळा कडेन ते वारकण्या थंय फ्लॅटान दवरले 14 दीस आनी तेजे अत्याचार केले.
19 वर्साच्या चलयेन कंप्लेंट दिली, त्याच्या वांगडा आवडा वेगस आनी कांय शिवसैनीक येयल्ले घेवन. एज पर दॅट गर्ल तिका मडगांवच्यान तेंच्यांनी हांगा हाडलें आनी ते चेडवान अशें डिस्क्लोज केला की हांगा एका मनशाच्या घरान ते लास्ट 13 तारखेच्यान ते आनी एक चली रावताले जी टुराक येयल्ली आनी तांकां वांगडा एका बायलेन हाडलेले तांकां टुराक म्हणून आनी हांगा दवरले आनी ती बायल रिटर्न गेली पुना. सो आफ्टर दॅट 2-3 मनीस तेंचे कडल्यान वेगवेगळ्या हॉटेलांचेर तांकां धाडपाक लागले, जी सावथ गोवा एरियान, आनी 4-5 वेळा प्रॉस्टिट्युशनाक तांकां धाडले अशें ते सांगता. आनी पयशे येता ते घेताले. सो लास्ट 8 days ते मडगांव वतले कोणाच्या घरान. ते प्लेस बी कांय डिस्क्लोज करूना तेणें, पूण थंय थंयच्यान ते पळोवन ह्या लोकां कडेन येयले जे रेस्क्यू करूंक बीन येयले ते. आनी तेच्या उपरांत मागीर हांगा फोंडा येयले ते. सो मागीर तेजी कंप्लेंट घेवन रजिस्टर केली.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.